Hey guys, main man himself, DC_Darlin. First of all, I am really sorry for the background noise. I live in a place where people love to get their freak on. Really sorry for that. Anyway, previously we briefly talked about TypeScript and some of its benefits. In this episode, we will install TypeScript to our local machine. Looking at the TypeScript documentation, let's click on this link, which is TypeScript in 5 minutes tutorial. Now over here, we can clearly see that there are two main ways to get TypeScript tools. The first one is via npm node package manager, and the second one is by installing TypeScript's Visual Studio plugins. We are going to use the first way, which is installation via npm. It goes without saying that you need to have JavaScript runtime environment Node.js installed. Head on over to nodejs.org. Follow the instructions on how to install Node.js depending on your operating system. Of course, we can confirm that we have Node.js installed by going to our terminal and simply typing node-v. You should see the version of Node you have installed in your system. Keep in mind, Node.js comes bundled with npm, so if we do the same thing, npm-v, we should see the version of npm we have installed. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and install TypeScript by simply typing npm install -g for global TypeScript. Of course, if you're using Mac or Linux, you may need to add sudo, so we'll do exactly that. Hit enter and type in your password. That's a long password. It's going to take a minute, and bam, TypeScript is installed. I need to upgrade my npm. I don't feel like. So let's continue. I'm going to simply change directory to my desktop, create a new folder. I'm going to call it TypeScript. Of course, I want to change directory to TypeScript. And over here, I'm going to open it in Visual Studio Code. Of course, you can use any code editor you feel like. I love VS Code. I'm going to open my integrated terminal by simply pressing Ctrl- or Ctrl backtick. And over here, we want to create our first TypeScript file. So I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to call it example.ts. Keep in mind, .ts is the extension for TypeScript files. Simply, I'm going to log hello world. So console.log will be like hello world. Exclamation marks. So the next thing we need to do is to run our TypeScript compiler. Simply means going to the terminal and typing tsc example.ts. As you can see, we have an example.js file that has been auto-generated. Opening it, you can see that we have the exact same code as the one in example.ts. That's it, guys. We have successfully installed TypeScript.